Welcome back to Korean Grammar Made Easy. Have you ever hesitated between 세요 and 십시오 when making a polite request in Korean? Using the wrong level of politeness can sound awkward or even disrespectful. Let's make this simple. Here's the clear rule. 세요 equals polite and friendly. It is suitable for friends, classmates, or colleagues. 십시오 equals formal and respectful. It is suitable for professional settings, presentations, or speaking to elders. Think of it this way. 세요 equals friendly, casual, polite. 십시오 equals formal, professional, polite. See some examples. 앉으세요. Please sit down. 먹으세요. Please eat. Both sound friendly. 앉으십시오. Please sit down. 드십시오. Please eat. Both sound formal. Imagine a cafe conversation. To a friend, 커피 마시세요? Would you like some coffee? Sounds friendly. To a superior or elder, 커피 드십시오. Please have some coffee. Sounds formal. Same verb, different tone. Don't use 세요 with elders, teachers, or in formal presentations. It may sound too casual or disrespectful. Always consider the relationship and the situation. Again, 세요 is fine with friends, classmates, or peers. 십시오 should be used in professional, official, or respectful situations. Practicing both will make your Korean sound natural and polite. Quick review. 세요 equals polite friendly. 십시오 equals formal professional. Practice with daily life. 앉으세요. 앉으십시오. 먹으세요. 드십시오. Leave a comment with one sentence using 세요 and one using 십시오.